Are you ready to transform your passion into a venture on YouTube? Welcome to The Online Entrepreneur. In this guide to monetizing your YouTube channel, we've got all the insider tips, clever tricks, and effective strategies you need to start earning from your content. So you're all set to monetize your channel? That's fantastic! Let's discuss how to select the suitable method of monetization. Google AdSense. With Google AdSense, you can earn money by displaying advertisements in your videos. To maximize ad revenue, it's important to consider factors such as video length, viewer demographics, and strategic ad placement. It's generally recommended to have videos that's 8-minute long, and strategically position ads at the beginning, middle, and end of your content. Additionally, ensure that your content appeals to an audience. Channel memberships. Channel memberships offer perks to your subscribers in exchange for a fee. To make them enticing for users, provide content like behind-the-scenes videos, along with badges and emojis. You can also create membership tiers with varying benefits. Merchandise shelf. The merchandise shelf provides a space below your video where you can showcase branded products related to your channel. Create captivating merchandise that truly connects with your viewers. It's crucial to ensure that the merchandise is of top-notch quality and effectively promote it within your videos. Super Chat. Super Chat is a feature that lets viewers pay to have their messages stand out during streams. Encourage engagement by acknowledging Super Chat contributions, answering questions, or giving shoutouts. Building a strong subscriber and viewer base. The foundation of monetization lies in having a subscriber and viewer base. To achieve this, content quality. Craft valuable, entertaining, and relevant content that resonates with your target audience. Invest in high-quality equipment. Enhance your editing skills to make your videos more captivating. Niche selection. Choose a niche you're truly passionate about and have knowledge in. Conduct research within your niche to understand what your audience wants to see, enabling you to tailor your content. Audience engagement. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, seeking feedback, and conducting polls or surveys. Cultivating a community around your channel fosters loyalty and active participation. Mastering the art of ad revenue. Google AdSense remains a source of revenue for creators. Let's delve into ad placement. Thoughtfully position ads within your videos as to maximize revenue without overwhelming or disrupting the viewing experience for your audience. Consider utilizing YouTube's ad placement feature or experiment with placing ads for the best outcome. Video duration. Longer videos have a tendency to generate revenue. However, it is important to prioritize the quality of your content over its length. Focus on creating informative videos that captivate and retain viewers. Expanding beyond ad revenue. Diversification. Depending on ad revenue may not be the effective strategy. Let us guide you through. Affiliate marketing. Promote services that are relevant to your niche. Join affiliate programs, provide reviews, include affiliate links in your video descriptions. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands that align with your channel's values and content. Maintain transparency by informing your audience about sponsored content. Selling digital products. Develop products such as courses, ebooks, or templates. Market them in your videos while offering value to your viewers. Crafting merchandise and utilizing channel memberships. We will explore merchandise design. Create merchandise that represents your channel's brand identity and resonates with your audience. Platforms like Teespring or Merch by Amazon can assist you in designing and selling these products. Channel membership. Once you meet the eligibility requirements such as having at 30,000 subscribers, you can establish channel memberships. Super Chat and channel donations can contribute significantly to your income. Let's discuss Super Chat. Encourage Super Chat donations by showing appreciation for contributions, responding to Super Chat messages, and providing incentives during streams. Staying up to date and adapting to changes. The digital landscape and YouTube policies are constantly evolving. Here's what you need to know. Policy updates. Stay informed about changes in YouTube's monetization policies and community guidelines by checking the YouTube Creator blog and participating in the YouTube Creator Insider program. Algorithm changes. Understand how YouTube's algorithm works and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Pay attention to video titles, descriptions, tags, thumbnails, watch time, and audience retention to enhance your video's performance. Emerging trends. Stay updated on industry trends, new features, and audience preferences. Experiment with content formats while staying engaged with your community to remain relevant. There you have it, online entrepreneurs. Monetizing your YouTube channel is a journey that requires dedication, creativity, and a strong connection with your audience. Remember, achieving success takes time, but with these strategies and a genuine passion for your content, you have the ability to turn your YouTube channel into an online business. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And in our next video, we'll reveal the top secrets to skyrocket your YouTube revenue. So make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell to catch it.